What's happening, guys? John and Jeff here with Best Price Nutrition. Check us out at BestPriceNutrition.com. Follow us here on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, all that good stuff. We do a lot of good giveaways. We have special sales you'll only find out about here, and we announce new products like EAS Myoplex. This is kind of a new one. This is actually a throwback to the old days, but EAS recently brought it back. The line recently came back around. They have an HMB, a glutamine, and this is kind of their flagship, EAS Myoplex.
Yeah, for those guys that have been around for a while, and women, I remember taking this when I was in my 20s. You know, this was probably the best protein out, and I'm really glad that they're actually bringing it back.
And this is kind of a cross, you can kind of flexible. This is a meal replacement. This is kind of a heavier calorie protein powder. We got 42 grams of protein blend.
And it's a protein blend of casein and whey. Looking at the profile, it looks like it's more whey than casein, but it's a nice blend of both.
So that's going to be good for building muscle as well as muscle recovery. This might be one to take at night.
Yeah, at night, or it's even, I think it's got the almost 300 calories. It's got about 22 grams of carbohydrates and 42 grams of protein. So it's something you could, replace a meal if you're dieting, or even, I may try it post-workout.
Now, back in the day, I think this was offered, it came in RTDs, big bulk tubs and packets.
Correct, yep.
So this one, at least for now, this is in packets, so you're not going to have to carry a tub of protein to work. Grab a packet, keep it in your gym bag, so very convenient.
Yeah, and that's, again, why I like it for maybe post-workout. So at the gym, you can just have it, in your gym bag, and pull out the packet, go to the water fountain, pour it into your shaker, and you got your kind of post-workout meal.
And what did this one taste like? It strikes me as being like a thicker, tastier shake.
It is, definitely. It has a little bit of a thicker consistency. It having some carbs and a little bit of fats in it. It actually tastes really good. It's more like it's more fulfilling than like a regular whey protein.
Okay, and then so we got, like I said, 290 calories, so heavier on the calories, but far from like a mass gainer. Got a lot of vitamins and minerals here. 42 grams of a protein blend, 8.9 grams of BCAAs, 23 vitamins and minerals. And this one's going to be available in a vanilla and a chocolate.
Yep.
I think back in the day it came in a strawberry, so maybe we'll see that one roll out in the future.
Yeah, definitely. I'm a big fan of the chocolate flavor. Vanilla is probably great for those that want to blend that up, maybe with some fruits and vegetables, that kind of thing. But yeah, it should be, a perfect meal replacement, especially for those dieting. So. But outside of that, we get a lot of questions about different types of proteins. Both men and women can take this product. There's nothing hormonal in it. Does it say how much water to put in there? I'm not sure.
Let's see if we got the instructions here.
Probably not.
Yeah,
so it's probably a guess. I would just put a good amount of water in it, mix it up with the first packet, see how it tastes. So you're not going to need a blender for this or anything. You can just shake it up in a shaking cup and it should be good.
This also might be good for some of the guys out there who are hard gainers. I know a lot of people don't like the mass gainers. It's either crazy amounts of calories or it just sits like a pound of sand in your stomach. So, if you're eating 3 solid meals a day and you can also throw one of these shakes on top of it, that could definitely help some guys put on some weight, put on some muscle.
Definitely, yep, yeah. So I think it's a great product. I think it tastes really good from the samples that we are given. We'd love to hear your feedback from it, so let us know.
And we'll link to where you guys can purchase this down below. That's all I got, you.
Yep, that's it. Thanks, guys.